In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save contacts in Google Drive. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open Google's contact tool from Drive and add a new contact so it's saved to your Google account and available across your devices. First, open your browser and go to Google. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account where you want the contact to live. This helps keep everything synced and easy to find later in Gmail, on Android, and anywhere you use Google services. Next, look to the top right of the page for the small grid icon. This is the Google Apps Launcher. Click it to open the panel of apps connected to your account. From here, choose Drive. That takes you into your Google Drive, which is the hub for your files and also a convenient place to access other Google tools. Once Drive opens, glance at the right-hand sidebar. You'll see several quick access icons there. Click the one that looks like a person, or labeled Contacts if you see the name. This opens Google's Contact Manager in the Drive side panel, or launches it so you can start adding details. It's the same contacts system that Gmail uses, so anything you add here will be available everywhere you use your Google account. Now, click Create Contact. This begins a fresh entry. Start by entering the first name and surname. Keeping names accurate and consistent makes searching and sorting much easier down the line. From there, you can enrich the contact with details that help you recognize and reach them quickly. Add a company and job title to give helpful context, especially for work contacts. Enter one or more email addresses, and if you have multiple, choose clear labels so you'll know which one to use. Do the same with phone numbers. Adding the country code can improve reliability for calls and messaging, especially if you travel or work with international teams. Take a moment to review what you've typed. Small corrections now prevent confusion later. When everything looks good, click Save. Your new contact is instantly stored to your Google account. That means it's searchable in Gmail, shows up on your phone if you sync Google Contacts, and stays backed up even if you switch devices. That's it. You opened Drive from the Google Apps grid, accessed contacts from the right sidebar, created a contact, added the key details, and saved it. Follow the same flow for each new person you want to store, and you'll build a clean, searchable address book that's always with you.